you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Go do it. Say it louder.
Go do it.
She used to be like on Texas.
I haven't seen myself with short hair in so long.
He did it.
Alright. Good morning. Yeah. 7 a.m. in the morning. 7 a.m. waking up in the morning. We're gonna go wake Everly up for school. And then Savannah and I are going off. We're leaving. There she is. Hello? Good morning.
I love sleepy Everly.
Good morning.
She wants to smile.
Good morning. Good morning.
Daddy.
Next week you have picture day at school.
What's picture day?
Where you take a picture for your first school book.
And wait, did you tell me that you didn't even cry when you put your Converse on?
She didn't even cry.
No tears? Let me see that. Let me see that face. Any
No
tears?
tears.
No tears up there. Hey, can you show us that funny face again?
The really funny one.
The really funny one? 3, 2, 1. Oh, you gotta hit your face before you gotta prepare it. That's something like it. Hey, yes. Good boy. Before you guys even comment on it, yes, I'm wearing my Batman Crocs to the airport. And Gigi's gonna watch Carl. Did you know that? You're staying with Gigi and you guys are gonna watch Carl? We're only gone one day, so we'll be back in the morning. Tomorrow morning. Alright. Bye, Ev.
Bye.
We love you.
Say bye.
I won't see you until the morning. I love you.
You saw that zit on her face.
I saw that zit on my face. See you tomorrow. Love you.
Love you.
Just like how we start off every vlog. Food. Breakfast. So we already started eating, but I got these things called pigs in a blanket, which is sausage wrapped in pancakes. So good. And you just got a little bit of everything.
I just got a little bit of everything.
And some eggs, because I'm going healthy. You said that you cried whenever you dropped her off. We're at the airport. I'm front packing, backpacking. We got all of our stuff in 2 backpacks.
He's a nice husband.
Baby.
I have a front packed already.
Wow. Look at that.
Chrissy's hooking us up.
So we're going to see Savannah's hair lady, here by Chrissy. And she got our tickets for us. And we have never flown first class. And we didn't know that we were, but we got our tickets and it said priority.
Well, we have once. Because I saw him in the Nickelodeon.
Oh, we did for Nickelodeon. But only whenever someone else gets our ticket for us. And shout out to you, Chrissy, you rock. We've never gone first class.
We just got to the airport. Show them the walk that you've been doing. Yep.
There's people behind us, we gotta get going.
Okay.
But look who's here with us. Hi. My sissy. My pregnant sister.
I'm uploading a YouTube video as well, so that's why I'm walking around like this. With my laptop and my phone for the hotspot, so it's kind of crazy right now.
And both of our backpacks.
Yeah, I got my Crocs on, so I kind of look like a complete turd right now, but
You don't look like a turd, baby.
whatever, you've been making fun of me this whole time outside of the vlog.
Yeah.
So we made it to Habit Hair Salon. We're here with Chrissy. Chrissy! Say hey!
How's it going?
This is her daughter, her other daughter. My hair's looking kind of ratchet, so I hope they fix that up a
We
little
might
bit.
cut Cole's hair.
Should we cut it off?
Stay tuned.
Should we cut it all off?
Do a poll. You already did a poll once.
I already did a poll. Everybody wants me to cut it off. But your boys said don't cut it off, right?
I know.
The girls said cut it. The boys said keep it. I remember that. And I was like, ah. If the boys said keep it, then I gotta
We'll
keep it.
text them real quick. Maybe
Yeah.
they'll change their mind.
I don't know. I'm always down to cut it, but
Think about it.
I just do whatever Savannah says. I know. I know.
Gross. Then it's like, you know.
She's afraid I'm gonna look ugly with it off.
was short on the Amazing Race, and it looked really good.
So, you guys know that we talk about cutting my hair all the time in videos and stuff. And I never do and I never want to because I feel like it's like who I am. Like I'm the YouTuber with long hair. And Savannah doesn't want me to because she likes my long hair. But she kind of wants me to cut it now. And I've talked her into it and I kind of want it to be cut. So I think we're gonna cut it off. I don't know. I think so. Right?
Do it.
I think so.
You've already committed.
Everyone's saying do it. The final word.
Are you gonna do it?
Well, you know I will just do whatever you want me to do. What do you want me to do?
What do you want to do?
So what we're gonna do? I don't know. What do you want to do?
What do you want me to do? This is my
I
sister-in-law.
want you to cut it.
See?
Oh, I'm so nervous. I think eventually you're gonna do it anyways, just to try it. So you might as well just like do it now. You know, you're gonna
Okay.
try it once in your lifetime. And you might as well do it. Now.
Once in my lifetime, I'm only gonna get one haircut the rest of my life.
Well, but one major haircut like this, right?
Maybe. Unless I grow it back out next
And then
year
wanna
and
cut
I
it
do it
again?
again. Yeah. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Go do it. Say it louder.
Go do it.
She used to be like on text message.
Alright, go. Just go.
Okay.
You can do it.
Okay, we're doing it. I'm doing it. Right now. Right now. We got a camera here. We got a camera there. And we got the hair cutter, Christy, here.
We're gonna do this.
We're doing this. So I think I'm just gonna turn the camera off and show you guys what it looks like after. We got these cameras rolling. We might put that footage in there, but I think I'm just gonna turn this off and open it back up with my hair all gone, right?
Yeah. I'm nervous.
Hey, you look beautiful.
Thanks. You're gonna look so beautiful. Here we go.
I'm so nervous. I haven't cut my hair in 4 years. Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
Good.
Here we go. Where is he? Oh my gosh, you look so different.
You like it?
I like it.
You sure?
Yeah, it's just gonna take some getting used
Okay.
to.
I haven't seen it yet.
You haven't seen it yet?
No.
Aw, you're so cute.
You like it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I do like it.
Okay. As long as you like it, that's all that matters. I mean, it's too late now.
You look littler.
Oh wow, that is short.
What do you think?
I like it.
I do
do.
too. You look so
Definitely
cute.
take some time getting used to. I'm so used to like this.
Does it feel good on your? On
It feels
your
good.
neck?
It feels so good. But man,
Man,
I haven't
he
seen
did it,
myself
you
with short hair in
guys.
so long.
He did it.
You did good, Chrissy. You did good.
Thank you so much.
Looks good.
Call me over, 'cause I'm a believer of the things we leave. I never.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Do you think you're a model now with the short hair? Do you think you're a model now with the short hair?
So, it's been a long day.
He looks so cute.
I don't know how I feel about it, guys. Comment down below
I
what
love
you
it.
guys think about it. I like how it feels. I'm conflicted about how it looks just
Look
because
how cute you look.
I'm so used to my long hair.
You look so cute. I think you look so cute. He's so cute. He's my cute boyfriend. Husband, boyfriend.
We got this really cool hotel. I'm gonna show it off for a quick second.
Okay.
This is our room. It's like super hipster vibey. I don't know. I think it's really fresh. Really fresh looking. We got like our own little pod. Like the hotel's like over here, but this little pod area is our hotel room, so it's pretty cool. You got the big old bathroom. You gonna poop, baby? No. And a ginormous shower, which is always exciting. Chrissy's husband, their family's just awesome. We love, they're called the Rasmussens, that's their last name, something like that. But Chrissy and her husband Rich and their kids, they're just an awesome family. and they always take care of us wherever we're at. So thank you guys so much. This is the new Cole. We're gonna end the vlog here. A lot of you guys were like, does Everly even know? Everly has no idea that I'm cutting my hair. Or
we're thinking that her reaction is probably gonna be hilarious, regardless if she likes it or doesn't like it.
I don't think she's gonna like it, but that's gonna be the very next vlog.
I don't think she's gonna like it either, just because she loves your long hair.
I think it's just gonna take some time.
I think it's gonna take time, but I think
it's gonna be hilarious.
Really funny, and we're gonna film it, and that's gonna be the next video that you guys see is Everly's reaction to his hair.
Yeah. So
this is gonna be funny.
Like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next vlog. We'll do double shout outs next video because we're about to have some alone time, husband and wife style. So be sure to follow us all on Instagram right down here if you want to be next video shout out because we'll do double. You guys rock. Love y'all.